Greetings, tutor and classmate. My name is Jenny Carolina Rojas Diaz. I am an environmental engineering student. I will explain what I did on my last vacation. Nuki, a magical destination, a vacation where I enjoy the wonder of nature. My experience. On my last vacation, I was on the beaches of Nuki. This is a little town in Chocó over the Pacific Ocean. I stayed 6 days in an hotel located on the seashore. My husband and I enjoyed this wonderful place. We took a tour with a Medellin travel agency, and the cost was 1 million Colombian pesos per person. What I liked most was the watched humpback whale closely together with their young in their natural environment. We also spot dolphins and appreciate the bird and release of sea turtles. I would like to return next year and enjoy this magical place. What you can do in Nukin? Whale, bird, and fruit watching. Visit it hot springs, visit the waterfall of Love, visit the Utria National Natural Park. Some recommendations. Nuki climates warm is warm, although rain are frequent, especially in the morning hours. The sun is strong at noon, but the winds cool you. It is necessary to wear sunscreen. It is necessary to bring mosquito repellent. It's important to wear comfortable clothes, shoes that can get wet. It's necessary wear a cap or hat. It's important to carry cash, and it's important to get the yellow fever vaccine. Some image of the trip, the whale, the sea, hermit crab, the ocean, Pacific Ocean, Hot Springs. In this is in the room of the hotel. People should enjoy the wonder of nature and take care of environment.